So right now, this is the main street in Varanasi. And as you can see, the streets are alive, people carrying stuff. You got honking, you've got music, you've got colorful stuff, kids. You get all kinds of shops here. You got electronic store shops, Samsung. You got this thing. You got jalebi, which is a traditional Indian candy, a sweet. Horrible for you, but they're great. You got fruit, you got friends. Hello, Ram Ram. Namaskar ji. Namaste ji. Hare Ram Ram. Here in India, you can say Ram Ram. That's a way to kind of say God bless you. People use it as a greeting, as a way to, when they leave each other. Pretty much any of the God's names you can use that way. Hare Krishna, Ram Ram, Radhe Radhe, Om Namah Shivaya. All these can be used as greetings or as mantras. The beauty of India. Everybody greets each other with a mantra. Ram Ram ji. Namaskar. Two of the other main greetings people say here to say hello, they say Namaskar or Namaste. Namaste ji. Everyone knows Namaste. You got the street dogs. You got friends over there chilling. So this guy over here just said, hey, and did this. And now Tom's following him through this alleyway. Hello, goat. Ooh, look at this water. Green.
Yes.
Wow. What's in there, a monkey? Or a fish? Wait, that's not the bottom, that's like oil or something.
He's inviting us to go down. Can we go down? No.
Namaskar ji. Ram Ram Ram. Assalamu alaikum ji. I thought this was just like the bottom, but it's not the bottom. That's just like something on top, like a film or something. Angrezi?
Hindi.
Hindi. Angrezi nahi.
Nah.
Ah. You swim? Huh. Bath? So they swim and bathe in this thing, unless they don't understand me. Oh. Thank you for showing me your lake. Dhanyawad.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Chai hai? Yeah. Oh. That's how they heat it up. Wow, that's cool. I don't even know how that works. Wow. Alright, Ram Ram. Fir milenge.
Hey, beta.
Got the army here. Namaskar jis. Keeping Benares clean and safe to the best they can. Namaskar. Or bhai ji. Namaskar. It's so hot here because, well, you get all these like electricity wires up here and stuff, and all these people cooking chai and food, and because the alleyways are so small, the heat just presses you alive. Uh-oh. Watch your head. Watch your head. Bhaiya. Ooh. Jeez. Hello, G. Let's do this, baby. Whoa, hey. Namaskar. Ah, Ram Ram. Hello, G. Nice New York hat. Nice hat. Acha hat. Jai Hind. That guy didn't give a shit about my existence. Hello, friend, down there. Oh, I love the Indian streets. Namaskar, Ji. Oh, sweets. Beautiful sweets. You have a very nice shop. Ram Ram. Hello. Hello, bro. Kaise?
Fine.
Ah, good friends. Everywhere you meet, smiling faces in India. Besides that one guy. Hello. Yeah, kids are always happy. Hello, namaste. Namaskar, Ji. Ooh, spices, man. What is this? Spicy, you got nuts? Mowgli?
Mowgli nuts.
Ah, wow. Smells great. These guys got bread. Hello, namaste. Got a cow right here. Excuse me, cow. Nice to meet you. Hello. Oh. And then we're back now to the main streets. Namaskar, Ji.
Back into the chaos.
Oh, hey.
A lot of people carrying things. Large things.
Yeah. Namaskar, Ji.
Soft things. Oily things. Shitty things.
Hello, Ram Ram Ram. Namaste, Ji.
Namaskar.
Namaskar. Uh-oh, she wants something. Hello. Chocolate hai. Prasad.
त्योहार है
Oh.
हाँ तीज है कुछ तो मदद करो
तुम बहुत सुंदर हो. Oh, we might have made a friend. Let's see how long she comes with us. Oh, she already stopped. I thought she was the one. You just never know. You don't know what you got till it's gone. Yes, eh?
Yeah.
Ah, बढ़िया. Hello. Look, you got friends everywhere. Corn. Oh, man. Corn. I love corn. Cool. Whoa, look at that. Oh, no, never mind. It looks like a juice. St. Thomas shirts. I think. No, maybe not. Oh, yeah, it's just the post office. My bad.
That's just the post. It's the St. Thomas Church. You were so confident.
Gee. Whoa, what's this? Wow. Whoa. Gotta watch your ankles here. Oh, they got like making pancakes or something? Hello. Hello, sweet women.
Hello, ladies.
Hello, Auntie G. Oh, you can also call people uncle.
Oh.
Like, namaskar, Uncle G. Here, I'll give it a go.
Hello, uncle. Uncle.
This guy right here is an uncle.
Ram, Ram. Hello, uncle.
Namaskar, Uncle G.
Uncle. Hello. Ram, Ram, uncle.
Namaskar, uncle.
Uncle. Uncle.
Oh my God.
Uncle, calm down. Hey, it's Vodafone.
Such a funny word. Uncle.
And in the midst of all this is like a Vodafone.
If you see a bookstore, let me know.
America se. Ah. Chocolate nahi? You speak English? Yeah. Wow. What's your name? Mishra. Ah. My name is Dakota. Ah. Nice to meet you. Ah. The kids love to practice their English here. Namaskar ji.
I realized afterwards that how inappropriate.
You know, I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Pagal hai. Is it ugly? Toda toda. Do you like them or no? Ugly? Bahut sundar hai? Bahut sundar?
I can't like these all things.
No? Ah,
Yeah, they love it here, bro. It's so
well,
cool.
don't ever get tattoos. Yeah, nice. Keep your skin nice. Fir milenge. Great kids. Kids of India.
Imagine my sister walking around here.
Your sister? Oh my gosh.
14 years old. I'd be terrified for her.
Yeah, me too, right? Hello. India. India. Jai Hind. Jai Hindustan.
Uncle. Not one of them responded to my uncle. It's like
Not even once.
I didn't get like a you know, like I do with Jay Shree Ram.
Sometimes I wave at the auntie G's and they just
PKG.
turn their head. Ah,
Oh,
that was my life. Wow. Wow.
look at all the scratches everywhere. Look, 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 look.
This is the food we've been eating. We actually found that we like street food more than restaurant food, definitely.
Way more, like way less hygienic, but it's worth it, man.
India is actually one of the most veg-free countries on earth. Probably is the most veg-free country. It's actually, there's places in India where meat is illegal, usually in holy places. But here in Varanasi, you can find it if you look hard enough. But here in the streets, everything's veg. This is potato, some kind of samosa, and this is something similar to a samosa but different. Ji, ye kya hai? Huh? That's what that is.
So, samosa east to start.
I want one of these. I want one of the tikka alus or whatever it's
What's
called.
that? That?
Yeah, this.
What's in that?
That's just potato.
Yeah. Potato cakes.
Yeah, but they do like the whole thing still. Put all like the stuff on it. Dal? Masala and dal. Okay, can I have one of these potato ones?
And some samosa for me. Two samosa.
And the price difference, man. For all of us to eat, it's like less than $1, I feel like.
Yeah.
Less than a US dollar for all three of us to eat.
Definitely.
And it's
Orgasmic.
30 cents each. This food is good? Acha hai? Huh? I don't know how to say delicious in Hindi. Delicioso.
Sometimes you just say it in Spanish and hope it lands.
One samosa.
Yeah. Oh.
It's a work of art, if I'm being completely honest with every feeling I'm feeling right now.
Hello.
Bombolena.
Hello.
Looks like it's like lentils and then different spices. Looks like ooh, tickled me, scared me. It looks like coconut or something on top.
So you like to meet guys later on, or you living today?
Probably have an early one today, and then
An early one in the morning.
yeah, early.
Waking up early, going to the Ganga,
Yeah.
But he leave today.
and tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow.
Yeah. In the
Yeah, let's
afternoon.
meet. Let's meet this evening. Around 8:30. You tell about. Okay. Around 8 o'clock.
At the hotel.
At the down from outside from hotel where I meet you last time.
It's hard to say where I'll be at 8 o'clock, but maybe we'll see.
Thank you, G. Well, I'm gonna go eat this and see what other weird stuff happens.